Cloud Spanner is a Google's globally distributed, fully managed relational database. It combines the strong consistency and relational schema of traditional databases with the horizontal scalability of NoSQL systems, making it ideal for large-scale mission-critical applications. Some of Cloud Spanner's standard features include global strong consistency, automatic sharding, and 5.9 availability. It supports standard SQL and automatically replicate data across regions, making it extremely resilient and scalable. Cloud Spanner is built on Google's TrueTime API and uses paxos of replications. Data is stored across the nodes in instances, and each piece of data is synchronously replicated across multiple zones or regions to ensure consistency and durability. Cloud Spanner offers strong consistency by default. Thanks to TrueTime, it guarantees external consistency, meaning all the transactions appear as if they happen in a single global order even across regions. Scaling in Cloud Spanner is simple. You just add nodes. Performance scales linear and Google handles the load balancing automatically, making it ideal for applications with unpredictable traffic and massive workloads. Cloud Spanner is widely used in financial services, global e-commerce, gaming leaderboards, SaaS platforms, and logistics systems. Anywhere you need high availability, strong consistency, and global scale. Cloud Spanner differs from traditional database mainly in scalability and global consistency. While traditional databases typically scale vertically and require complex replication steps, Cloud Spanner offers automatic global replication, strong consistency, and 5.9 availability out of the box, making it ideal for modern and distributed systems. Pricing is based on node usage, storage, and network traffic. While it powerful, cloud storage is best suited for large-scale applications. For smaller workloads, services like Cloud SQL or Firestore might be more cost effective. In this hands-on lab, we will walk through the basics of working with the Cloud Spanner. First, we will create a Cloud Spanner instance. Then we will create a table inside the default database. After that, we will insert some sample data and run the SQL query to explore. Finally, we will look at monitoring and performance metrics to understand how our database behaves in real time. Go to Google Console, search for Spanner, click on Spanner. Here we need to provide the details: instance name, instance ID, and a configuration. Here I am going to select Dallas. Click on create instance. It will take few seconds to create the instance. Now the instance successfully created. Click on go to studio. Here you can see the default databases and some tables as well. In the bottom you can see some queries as well. We will try to create a new table and try to insert some value and retrieve the data. First we will try to create table. Click on run. Now table has been successfully created. Next we will try to insert some values into the table. Click on run. Now values are successfully inserted into the table. We will try to retrieve the data from the table. Run. Now you can see all the inserted data has been selected. All the queries are similar to the normal SQL queries. You can see all the system insights here. To summarize, Cloud Spanner is a globally scalable, strong, consistent, traditional database built for mission-critical workloads. If your application demands high availability, massive scales, and transactional integrity, Cloud Spanner is a top-tier choice. Thanks for watching.